My name is Mbaga. I'm the CEO, founder, and developer of ExamNet's, which is a mobile and web app that helps students gain access to learning resources to help them improve their educational knowledge and problem-solving skills that will help them excel in their academics. Yes, Data Tamasha has been of actually great importance to me, given that I've only participated for 2 days and have learned great stuff, because the whole topic of data itself is very broad, especially in our sector, in the educational sector. We need to work with a lot of data to ensure that we can educate our students better, evaluate where their pain points are. So Data Tamasha has helped me develop new skills and new ideas and perspectives on multiple factors. It's very challenging, as I said, but me, it's more of transparency, because unboxing data could be anything, any data, so it's more of transparency.